The Garmin Instinct 3 already looks tough, but this Hemsut Paracord strap takes it to another level. The question is, does it complete the look or take it too far? Let's test the fit, stability, and real-world wear. The Instinct 3 already has a strong outdoor identity. Its large case and protective design make it feel more like equipment than a typical smartwatch. This Hemsut strap builds on that character with a thick 550 paracord construction and a much more tactical appearance. The woven structure feels dense and substantial. It's designed to give the watch a stronger, more gear-focused presence. The structured weave and hardware also match the visual weight of the 50mm case surprisingly well. We're using the 26mm version. Before wearing it, we need to check the width and confirm that both sides connect securely. Installation is straightforward, but every connection point should be checked carefully before the watch goes on the wrist. Both sides are installed. A firm pull confirms that the connection points are locked in place. And this is the finished result. The Paracord gives the Instinct 3 a completely different personality. It now looks less like a standard sports watch and more like a dedicated piece of outdoor gear. The thick construction works with the larger case. Instead of looking unbalanced, the watch and strap now feel like one complete setup. I have a relatively small wrist, and this is how the strap fits with the 50mm Instinct 3. The combination looks bold, but the proportions still work if you like a more noticeable, gear-focused setup. The structured strap helps keep the large watch case securely in position during normal movement. The fit feels firm and supportive. Compared with a lightweight nylon strap, the Paracord gives the watch a more substantial presence on the wrist. You remain more aware of the strap, but once it's adjusted properly, it supports the watch evenly around the wrist. The material remains firm, while the structured fit helps keep the Instinct 3 stable and securely positioned. This is where the strap makes the most sense: outdoor use, EDC setups, and anyone who wants their Garmin to feel connected to the rest of their gear. A lightweight nylon strap offers more flexibility. The Hemsut Paracord strap offers a bolder look, a more structured fit, and a stronger outdoor identity. It's a strong choice for users who value stability, durability, and tactical styling, and don't mind a strap with a more substantial feel. So, is it too rugged for the Garmin Instinct 3? Visually, no. The size and design of the watch can handle it, and the Paracord makes its outdoor character even stronger. This isn't about making the Instinct 3 more minimal. It's about turning it into a more distinctive and gear-focused setup. Would you choose lightweight flexibility or this more rugged style? Let me know in the comments. You can find the Hemsut Paracord strap through the link in the description.